Good morning students. Continuation of chapter 1, that is importance of family. In previous class we discussed how family traditions, care and appreciation, family's likes and dislikes, family supports and participation in family activities are very important in family. Today we will discuss some exercises of this chapter. They are: tick the correct options, fill in the blanks, true or false, and answer briefly. Let's proceed ahead. First exercise is tick the correct option. Students, in this exercise you are given 3 options with each statement. First you will read carefully statement, then find out correct answer. Let's see first number. A type of family that includes only parents and their children is a. Options are joint family, nuclear family, extended family, and correct answer is nuclear family. A type of family that includes only parents and their children is called nuclear family. Now coming second number. To develop close bonds among family members, we must share. Options are love and affection, second, jealousy, third, hatred, and correct answer is love and affection. If we want to develop close bonds among family members, we must share love and affection. Now coming third number. To motivate the younger members to excel, family should. Options are encourage, second, appreciate, third, both of them, and correct answer is both of them. We have already discussed that if we want to motivate the younger members to excel, family should encourage and appreciate. So correct answer is C, both of them. Now coming fourth number. The most important group of human being is. Options are family, country, union, and correct answer is family. Family is the most important group of human being. Now coming fifth number. The first learning place for a child is. Options are school, family, neighborhood. Correct answer is family. The first learning place for a child is family. Now coming second exercise, that is fill in the blanks. Students, in this exercise you are given help box. With the help of help box you have to find the correct answer. Let's see first number. Family dash helps the sufferer to overcome difficulties, and correct answer is supports. Family supports helps the sufferer to overcome difficulties. Now coming second number. All family members must participate in family dash. Correct answer is activities. All family members must participate in family activities. Now coming third number. The dash and dash for one another is the real strength of a family. The love and care for one another is the real strength of a family. Now coming fourth number. Every member of the family must dash the different responsibilities. Correct answer is share. Every member of the family must share the different responsibilities. Now coming fifth number. Each family follows certain customs and dash. Correct answer is tradition. Each family follows certain customs and traditions. Now coming next exercise, that is true or false. Students, in this exercise you have to write true with true statement and false for false statement. Now let's see first number. Interaction develops a strong bond in a family. Yes, it is true statement. Interaction among the family members develops strong bond in a family. So it is true statement. Now coming second number. The children cannot help the elder. No, it is false statement. The children cannot help the elder. It is false statement. So here you will write false. Now coming third number. Each family follows same customs. Yes, it is true statement. Each family follows same customs. Now coming fourth number. Care and appreciation are real strength of a family. Yes, it is also a true statement. Care and appreciation are real strength of a family. Now coming fifth number. Every person has a talent. Yes, every person has a talent. It is true statement. So here you will write true. Now coming exercise D, that is answer briefly. Let's see first number. List two qualities that you admire in your mother or father. Students, there are so many qualities that you can see in your parents. Here you have to write any two. So answer is two qualities that I admire in my mother or father are love, care and appreciation. Now coming second question. List the qualities that make your mother or father the most special person in the world. Answer is the qualities that makes my mother or father the most special person in the world are: first, they sacrifice many things for me. Second, they provide unconditional love. Second, again I repeat, they provide unconditional love. Now coming question number 3. Why does praise by family members make you happy? Answer is, praise by family members make me happy as it develops positive attitude and creates a sense of happiness. Now coming fourth question. You have a family member who always criticizes you. How is that person related to you? Give one reason for his or her criticism. Students, in this question you have to write answer in your own words. So now coming question number 5. Describe your reactions when your mother or father check you for your behavior. Answer is, first I annoyed then I feel happy that they are so concerned about me. Students, exercise D, exercise E. Answer the following questions. We will discuss in next class. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.